हेलो बच्चों। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक हाउ टू राइट इफेक्टिव टेस्ट केसेस के बारे में है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाउ टू राइट इफेक्टिव टेस्ट केसेस। In essential, they all do the same things. This process include an additional level of evaluations, confirmations, authorizations, or approval to ensure the accuracy, quality, or relevance of the output. In software development, this is called testing or quality assurance. Simply put, software testing evaluates code to ensure it is working as expected. To perform this activity effectively, quick quality teams use a powerful tool called the test case. In this blog post, we explore what it is, why it's needed, when to use it, and most importantly, how to write test cases. What is a test case? A test case is a set of action, condition, and input data used to evaluate the quality of a software application. Let's say you have built a performs capture the name and email ID of the users for a newsletter subscription. In test case will specify the following action: both users facing and internals, everything that the users or the software is expected to do to complete the workflow. Is the software being built? The users enter the game. The users enters as email address. The users clicks submit. Confirmations email sends to the users. Data saves is the corresponding database. Data add to respective newsletters email list. Conditions: the required the users or the systems is expected to meet while performing their actions. Save if validations for the name field is accepted, else show error fears message. Save if validations for the email address field is expected, else show error message. Add to newsletter list only if the user has confirmed their emails addresses. If the users already exist, show the corresponding errors. Message: input data samples of what is expectable. Input for the futures. Typically, quality assurance QA teams create test data that can test positive and negative results. For example, if a conditions of name field validation, it scans only certain letters of the alphabet and space, and the test data will be genuine, which meets the criteria. Rule of test cases in software engineering. The test case methods is comprehensive, systematic, and repeatable approach to software testing. While its primary purpose is to ensure quality of the applications, it adds multiple level of robustness and reliability of the software engineering process itself. Identifying detects test cases help identify detects in software. They hold the fort on whether the application is safe to move or product. Validations requires test cases ensures what you have built in what you intended to all along. This is especially important if you service organizations building software for external stakeholders who have specific requires mitigating risk. Test cases evaluations are features for security, performance, and financial risk. The quality analyst also include conditionals regarding and regulatory compliance, industry standards, etc. to make sure all your bases are covered. Balancing is a big picture. New features might work well in isolations, but when integrated into the rest of the software, it might break or cause some other features to break. Test causes ensures. This is course before affects users' experience. In productions, can one test case to do all the above? Not really. Depending on the other future software systems needs and organizational goals, there are several types of test cases that QA teams. Right. Types of test cases. There is a test case for each types of software testing. Some of the most commonly used ones are as follow. Functionality test case, this basic and fundamentals, foundationals. Their test case evaluates whether a software work as intended at the bare minimum. Every QA writes this. Unit test cases, unit testing evaluates a part of the features or a single unit. For example, a QA might write unit test to verify that the email's addresses field meets various conditions. Security test cases, this evaluates is the features meet the security standard. To go to product especially typically is would includes test for authorization, authentication, compliance with the OWASP standard etc. Performance test case, these validations that new features meet the reliability, scalability, any resource utilizations requirements. Writing test cases and wondering Jira as one of the popular angles project management methods. In addition to powerful multi-faceted task management, ClickUp also includes a suite's DevOps automation, integrations and templates that pack a punch. See it for yourself. Try ClickUp for free today. Okay friends, see you on next video. Take care. Bye.